Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Dane. Well, today it's just a short unboxing. I can't help it, I have to do one, so hang on. Hey, and as I said, today I'm going to do a short unboxing, and as the title on this video suggests, it's a painful unboxing. Has nothing to do with the products, haven't tried them yet, so I really can't say much about them yet. But the pain is because of, pain in my stomach right now. I have these problems with gallstones, a gallbladder problem right now where I get stones in my gallbladder, and when they pass through it hurts like a son of a... So, that's also the reason why I haven't been that much online for a period of time now, because I have this problem. I'm hoping that during next week this will kind of get solved with an operation I'm waiting for. Isn't really fun, and believe me, the nights I've had with this gall thingy, terrible, really. I wouldn't wish that for anyone. But you know me, I don't know if you do, but I really can't help, I have to do kind of something on YouTube. I have been away now for some time. I know I'm behind on some stuff. I'm still lacking on maybe two, I think, videos I'm going to do with reviews on products. For you producers out there of these products, I'm sorry, they will come. And today, as I said, it's not that complicated to do an unboxing video, so basically that's what I'm going to do today. This one has been on the way for over a month, I think. I've been waiting for this one. Came to the postal house thingy here yesterday, and I picked it up yesterday. And so today I'm going to just do a short unboxing on it. I already cut the box because, yeah, you know. And what this unboxing is on is these guys, Define Beard Co. Heard a lot of good things about them, haven't tried them yet. So, well, there was this Christmas in July thingy where they had this big sale going on Scott's, Beard Times with Scott's channel. And I kind of bought some stuff from Define Beard Co. back then. And it's here now, so I'm going to do this unboxing on it. And the first one I have is Lemon Delight Beard Butter. This baby. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I had to try and buy it and see if it works for me. So, and has this extra seal on top, just to keep it inside if it decides to melt. And nothing has been melted here, I can see already. That's nice. I hate gritty beard butter, so that's a nice thing. It hasn't been melted, I don't think it has. Whoa. That's a nice lemon scent. Whoa. It almost makes my pain go away. This is really, really nice. I love the scent of this. Let's see. No. Can't see if it's gritty, I don't think it is. No. No grit going on. It melts down. Whoa. That's a nice scent. I have nothing in beard right now, just to let you know. Oh, whoa. I can't wait using this in my beard now for the next week, together with the other two products I got from them. I have two beard oils. Yeah, bubble plast wrapper. Oh god, I think even you can see. I have a bit of fever right now and I'm kind of reddish in my face. Why am I doing this with a fever and pain in my stomach? That's strange. But hey, I guess this kind of doing these videos is kind of an addiction maybe sometimes. And also I don't want to let you, my trusted audience, down. I have to do these videos because you're subscribing to my channel. And I want to be there, I want to do this service for you guys. Can't just lay around being sick. So, hang on. What do I have here? It's so long ago now I almost forgot what I bought. I have the Distinguished Caballero in oil. This guy. I like the labeling on these bottles. It's kind of slick, clean, I like it. And of course again I have the Lemon Delight in beard oil. I like to rock both. If I'm using a butter, I like to use the oil as well. You know, I'm not a, beard butter guy, only beard butter thingy. I have to have the oils as well. Oh, at night time I basically only use butters, but still. So I just have to see if I can get this plastic off. Not really, kind of sticks. Come on, that's off. So, the Lemon Delight. I'm just going to do a complete unboxing for you guys here. 5 drops out. And some medium to light, I would say. Oh, this scent is amazing, man. Oh, I love this. I'm normally not like, a food guy in my beard, but this lemon scent is not food. It's lemon. Lemon Delight, definitely. This is a nice scent. I like this one. It's, well, I just have to, after this video I'm going to finish off a bit and I'm going to use this in my beard. This is amazing already. So the next one, again, plastic wrapper here, kind of sticking to the bottle. Kind of hard to get off, really. Excuse me? No? There, got it. So the Distinguished Caballero, oh, 1 second, I just have to wipe my hands quickly here. To get as much of the scent without the lemon in it. So, what do we have here? Whoa. Nice. Again, yeah, definitely to the light side. Normally I don't use light oils, but well, yeah. That's interesting. That's definitely an interesting scent. Pipe tobacco, chocolate, oak barrel aged bourbon, vanilla and Texas cedar. Yeah. Well, I get the kind of mix of these. Nothing really stands out to me right now. But I get it. It's kind of, if you take a mix of the scents it says on the bottle, yeah. I definitely guess that's what you're getting. But again, I have to test it. Try it out a bit more. It's not enough to put it in my hands. It has to go into beard. But today I'm going to use the Lemon Delight for sure. So, that's basically what I've got from Defined. 2 oils. These 2 guys. And then also the Lemon Delight butter. Look at this. This is some nice clean white butter here. And if you combine the look of this with the scent, I almost want to taste it. You know, this tastes, no, it doesn't taste. I don't know how it tastes. The scent of this, the smell, it smells amazing. I almost want to taste it as well. I'm not going to do it, of course. But hey, it's a real dessert thingy. Lemon Delight kind of cake thingy here with some, yeah. Okay, with glaze on. Scent is amazing. The packaging is fine, a lot of bubble wrapper in here. The sticker, that's what I got as well. Business card from Carrie. So thank you, Carrie. It took some time, that's not your fault. It's the postal service. Yeah, so I'm going to do a proper review of that and bring it to you on a later date. Right now I can't say when exactly because, as I said, I have to go and get an operation cut up in my stomach, and I have to take the gallbladder out of my stomach and all that not so nice stuff. So I can't really say where I'm at with, with reviews right now. Even the reviews I'm kind of missing on. They'll be here. Stay tuned, and please subscribe. I will come back with a vengeance. I promise more giveaways, stuff like that, as soon as I'm ready for it. So, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned if you're already subscribing. I thank all of you for being here. I see I haven't lost any of my subscribers, even though I've been, I think, offline for over like 2 weeks now or something like that. And that's bad. I don't like that at all. But please stick around, stay subscribed. If you're new here, subscribe. I will come back. See you another day. Have a nice one out there, guys. Thank you.